You not even you just watching me?
Yeah, you keep on going straight. And then make sure you put your signal when you're turning right, okay?
It's gonna take me a minute to get to school. Is there anything else?
Now I am.
Which lane am I supposed to be on?
The left side. Going to your school, remember?
I don't know how to get there. Fuck.
It is red. He is not moving.
Yo, don't be a a-hole, okay? If you're gonna teach me, then teach
Both
me.
hands on the wheel. Did you suck your teeth?
Oh, really? Really? So you can be an a-hole on the camera, right? But I can't curse. Do I have to drive this slow?
Yes.
I don't understand why you got me on the road. We could be in a parking lot or something. You decide to do this shit. Excuse me. Doodle. So we're not going on the highway, alright?
Yes, get on your middle lane.
Oh, what the
Make sure you put your signal on, please.
crap? Like, can we switch when we get to the highway? You gonna really make me drive on the highway?